So with the launch of the new DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI came to me and asked me to create a video on this portable and powerful drone. I knew this project would be the perfect collaboration with my good friend Lee and Melody. This has been a dream project for us because we have always wondered whether DJI can actually fit even more high-end features into smaller drones. I love the fact this drone only has a weight of 249 grams, which not only reduces the loads of our backpacks, and with that said, the weight and size would also allow us to fly closer to objects to gain that unique perspective like never before. After using this drone for a couple of weeks, I'm really impressed with the overall footage. Some of the shots look so surreal that I actually can't believe it comes from a drone of its own category. My favorite feature of the DJI Mini 3 Pro so far has to be the true vertical shooting. This is definitely a game changer feature for a lot of content creators out there like myself. And let me show you more of our journey. This drone has a 48 megapixel camera, which is capable of shooting videos up to 4K 60 frames per second. And then there's a 34 minutes flight time. DJI also includes the Battery Plus, which can extend the flight time all the way up to 47 minutes. This allows me to capture more incredible moments without having to worry about battery life. DJI has really pushed the boundaries of this drone, and I can definitely say it has a special place in my camera bag going forward.